Today we're gonna do a lemon dessert, which is basically a small cheesecake. All you need is 80 grams of sugar, 70 grams of melted butter, 140 grams of natural yogurt, 250 grams of mascarpone, 150 grams of cookies. You can buy cookies or you can do them by yourself. In this recipe, I use self-made cookies. If you want to know how I did the cookies, click the video indicated at the end of this video. Furthermore, you need 2 tablespoons of flour, 2 eggs, a little bit of vanilla flavor, and 25 milliliters of lemon juice. At first, add the mascarpone and the natural yogurt to the sugar. Mix it well until combined. Add then the 2 eggs and the vanilla flavor, as well as the lemon juice. If you want, you can add a little bit more lemon juice. Mix it well and add the 2 tablespoons of flour. Mix it again and the cream is finished. Now put it in the fridge as long as you prepare the bottom of the cake. For that, put the cookies in a blender and add the melted butter. Mix it until it looks like this. Then prepare the muffin tin. Then put a little bit of the cookie mixture in each muffin. Use a small glass and put a little bit of flour on it and press down the cookie mixture with it. This will flatten the bottom of the cake. Then take the cream out of the fridge and add it to each muffin. As soon as you've finished, move the muffin tin like this. This will allocate the cream well. Then put the muffin tin into the oven at 180 degrees for about 20 minutes. After the cream gets a golden brown color, the muffins are finished. Take them out of the oven, let them cool down, and use cookies or lemon as decoration. I also added some grated coconut because I used coconut flour to make the cookies. As soon as the muffins cooled down, keep them in the fridge.